How to change iOS DNS server when Avast SecureLine VPN is not connected on iPhone. 1. Tap the settings icon on your iOS device home screen and select Wi-Fi. 2. Select the Wi-Fi network you are connected to from the list. 3. Tap Configure DNS to open DNS settings. 4. Select Manual and tap the red sign next to any existing DNS servers to remove them. 5. Tap to add a new DNS server, then tap Save to confirm. Your DNS settings are now changed. Try to connect to Avast SecureLine VPN again and browse the internet.